Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. I'm so excited because I have new in arrivals from Z Supply. I can't wait to share with you. I love Z Supply. Their elevated casual California cool girl styles really resonate with me. They're usually very comfortable fabrications. They are versatile and good from weekend to work day. So hopefully I have some great pieces here that you're going to love. And I have some jammies also I'm going to share with you today. I have been looking for some great summer jammies. I think I nailed it. Alright, let's get into it. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have some furry sidekicks that like to hang out with me. You may or may not see them, but they're out here with me. They're just so that you're not just looking at me. And I sure hope you stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Let's start with the dress I have on right now. So pretty. I love this one. Okay, so this is a midi dress on me. I'm 5'5" for reference. This is hitting me right about mid-calf. It is a slip dress underneath with this lacy overlay. I should say crocheted overlay, I guess. Such a fun pattern. I like that the underlay is long, so it's not stopping up here, which so frequently happens in these dresses. This one does go pretty much the whole way down. I have lots of room. I'm wearing my normal size in this. You could wear this for work, throw on a blazer. You could wear this for weekend. You could wear this for date night. This is adjustable straps for the little slip dress underneath, so you can pull it up, whatever you want to do to make sure you're getting that proper fit. There are no slits in this dress. It's going to pack well for vacations, and it's in this yummy, yummy brown, which is so, so hot this year. You guys can see this fun little crochet. And the neckline is really nice, not too high. All right, so for this one, it's called the Claremont Knit Midi Dress. I'm wearing an extra small, my normal size, 138. All right, so I started down the Z Supply wormhole whenever I decided I wanted some new summer jammies. And I'm excited to share several sets with you. This one I think is particularly adorable. It has the smocked shorts. They're so soft, so comfy. If you have some vacations coming up where maybe you're sharing a house with family members or you're going to be, with more people, this would be a cute little set, right? Because it looks like something you could wear for something a little bit more formal other than just sleep time. It's just adorable. So I'm loving the little V-neck, has the little cap sleeve here, or at least the shorter sleeve. The smocked bottom has the little ruching right here as well. This is a blue and off-white. The bottoms are so fun, not clingy, nice and comfy. You can always switch these sets out as well. Like you can wear the bottom with a cute little cream tank. You could put the top on with a fun little blue bottom. Just lots of ways to wear these. All right, so these are called the Floral Dawn Short. I'm wearing a small, so I typically do size up in the more lighter weight fabrics, and it fits perfectly. These are $58. The matching floral lace trim short sleeve top, I'm wearing an extra small, $58. Another super fun set. Again, great for family settings or when you're going with a group of friends. Cute little knit shorts with the fun little white trim. White trim here on the V-neck tank. So super comfy, so very, very soft. Elastic waist. Again, I would size up on the bottoms. These are a small. Easy packing, won't take up a lot of room. And if you wanted to decide to run down to the beach, you could throw a little button down on top of this and head down for a nighttime beach walk. All right, so this one is the Hideaway Short. I'm wearing a small, $58, and the Stately V-neck tank. I'm wearing an extra small, $58. And then I have this fun little tank I wanted to share with you as well. This one is called the Lost at Sea tank. It's an extra small, $54. I had purchased the shorts, so I already own the shorts and the sweatshirt actually that match this pattern, but I think that you could do some fun pattern play with all of these pieces. And you could also wear this with the red. I think it'd be fun. It's a different style tank. Again, that same cozy knit, so comfy, rounded hem. It would look cute with the red, give you that red, white, and blue vibe. And then it has all the fun lobsters and seashells and little drinks on it. How cute is it? So, so cute. Lots of ways to wear these. All right, another fun jammy pairing. Love, love, love. This one has a fun little animal print. Drawstring waist. Again, lots of elastic. Again, so soft, so comfy. You could throw on any of your all-day jackets with this. The all-day knit jackets from Z Supply if you have those. Wide at the widest part of my leg. Again, so comfy and would pack so, so well. Cute little tank. And then the drawstring bottoms. And an alternative that you could also wear with this if you wanted to allow lots of mix and match options. How about this fun little rib tank, which comes in a ton of colors. Unfortunately, they're starting to sell out, so they have a whole lot left in my size. But how cute is this one too? You could wear this with it. You could wear this as a top as well. But it's got that soft, comfy feeling that would be perfect for jammies. Here's the fun little ribbing. Lots of ways to mix and match these. All right, so the double scoop Leo Silky Tank, that would be the leopard print one, $50. I'm wearing an extra small. The soft Leo Short, I'm wearing a small, $50. And the Sloan V-neck Rib Tank, $54. I'm wearing an extra small. All right, next up, how about this adorable set? I love it so much. You could wear this as loungewear. You could wear it as jammies. So depending whatever top you put on it, is going to work. You could wear it probably even for work from home, put a cute little button up or a jean jacket or something like that. All right, so smocked bottoms. It has all this fun ribbing. Now this same ribbing is the one that was in the brown V-neck tank. So I think I need that V-neck tank in this color because that would be really cute with this. I went with the little crop version just to show you guys what that would look like. I think that is adorable. It's bra friendly. I have my bra on for all of these pieces. These have this fun, wider, a little bit wider leg. I will say loose leg. So cute. These come in so many colors, and I'm glad I was able to grab at least one. So cute. And then, if you choose to wear them as jammies, how about throwing this cute little shirt on top? And now you are like the chicest one to the pajama party. How about this cute little top? Do you not love this? You could button it, you could leave it open. I think is so adorable. And great with these pants. Of course, there's also matching pants and bottoms for these. I think they have pants and shorts. Which do you like best? Are these not fabulous? I love this cute little set. You could always wear any of the red tops I shared with you with these shorts as well. So many mix and match options. I think with the red pants, you could have worn the leopard tank, the blue and white tank, like so many mix and match options here. But bring your A game to your next sleepover. All right, so for the Zoe Silk Rib Tank Bra, that's what I have on, $38, I'm wearing a small. For the Dawn Smock Silky Rib Pants, so that was the rib pants I just had on, I was wearing a small, $60. For this Beach Days Getaway top, I'm wearing an extra small, $74. And the matching classic Soleil Getaway short, I'm wearing a small, $54. Next up, all right, let's say you want to feel like you have jammies on without wearing jammies. This would be a great outfit. So if you have a long day or a travel day, or you just had a long day and now want to kind of keep it casual but dress it up, how about that? Dressy casual, right? I have on these fun pants. How about these? These are a jogger style, or I think they're calling them a balloon pant. We'll look at the official name. These hit me right at my ankle, so they're a great length for me. Elastic waist. This color is fun. Paired just with a simple tank. This one is the rib tank. How cute is this? I think there is a matching tank for this color if you wanted to make it look like a monochromatic outfit or even like a jumpsuit look. I think these are super cute. Again, you could add a jean jacket or an all-day knit jacket, and you'd be set for travel or for a fun little girls' day. All right, so for these, the Dina Balloon Knit Jogger, I'm wearing a small, $98. And for the Row Rib Scoop Tank, I'm wearing a extra small, $38. Okay, how about these fun pieces? I'm so excited. All right, how about a great denim track pant? How fun are these? They have the fun little racing stripes going down the side. It is a drawstring pull-on pant with side pockets. Again, hitting me right at the top of my foot, so great length. You can wear tennis shoes, you can wear flip-flops, you could wear heels. I love these. Kept the tank on, but you could always add a brighter color if you wanted. And then this matching little jean jacket. Again, super soft, lighter weight, big pockets here in the front. A little bit of a crop styling hitting right at the bottom of the waistband of the pants. The length is pretty nice for me in the sleeve, which is really nice, but you could also cuff those and pull them up. I want an extra small, but I still have lots of room. I love these. Love both of these. I love the tank too. It's like a great basic. So the Aran denim jacket, I'm wearing an extra small, 128, and the sidelines denim track pant, I'm wearing a small, also 128. We're down to the last outfit. Let's do it. All right, final outfit. This one is so adorable. Again, very similar to the outfit I shared previously. So you could mix and match those two pieces with these two pieces easily. This has a fun pinstripe in it. It has the cargo utility style in the front with all of this fun detailing in it. It has the side pockets, drawstring waist. And then the jacket is that same cropped style as the previous one with the bigger pockets here in the front. You could wear them, obviously, all these pieces individually together. I love a cute matching set, but it's nice when you can pair those with other things as well, and you have to pack less, right? Great. These types of pairings make for great capsule collections if you're looking to try to elongate how long you can wear these pieces and in what ways. I love this. Lightweight, but it'll be great for now and for later. All right, so for these final pieces, the Aran Soft Denim Railroad Jacket, extra small, 138, and the Soft Denim Carpenter Pant, I'm wearing a small, 138, and that is all my pieces. We made it. You're set for vacation now. Can't wait to hear what you thought. As always, I will put all this information down below in case you would like to shop any of these pieces. I can't wait to hear what your favorites were, so please do let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and swipe to hype, and thank you so much for all the amazing support. Every time you click a link, that helps me keep this channel going. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.